pas ma faute. C'est pas ma faute.
Tu sais, quand tu disais d'aller voir un autre monde, il y a un truc à faire avant d'y aller, hein?
Ah? Bonjour.
T'es revenu?
Je crois, oui. C'est ce qu'il a dit, le chelou, là? L'autre qui est chelou de m'avoir fait planter.
Il a parlé de yogourt.
Toi,
Puis-
de yogourt.
Non, pas moi, lui. Il a parlé de yogourt, il a parlé de paradis, de sauver le monde, puis de un de ses collègues qui a traversé trop vite avec du matériel qu'il y a de besoin. Fait qu'il faut aller chercher le matériel.
Ah, génial! Et on s'en retourne exactement d'où qu'on arrive, c'est ça?
Yep.
Oh là là! Bah, c'est pas. On va y retourner. Je sais pas pourquoi je plante à ce point.
On se téléporte ou
On peut se téléporter.
au silo? Ou à la ville? Vider notre loot?
Ouais, non, à la ville. On va pouvoir les vider, la loot box. C'est celle-là qu'on vide à peu près une fois par année, là. Ah, j'ai 6 objets dedans. Total. Comment j'ai... Ah oui, c'est dans l'inventaire. C'est cool, inventaire? Oui, inventaire. Yes. Savoir pour combien qu'on a de clés pour ouvrir ce coffre d'or. On va ouvrir 100 coffres, je suis à 50. Bon, j'en aurai plus.
Moi, j'ai déverrouillé le système, mais je suis voir qu'est-ce qu'elle
C'est
fait.
l'upgrade, là. En tout cas, je vais te dire qu'elle est seulement endommagée.
Mhm.
Je t'ai ramassé les balles de fou.
If the hyperliminal waveform transducer pods are anywhere, they're secured tightly behind some panels. They usually need a screwdriver to open, but they seem more like a hammer person.
Oh, j'ai une tête à pas tirer. Non.
suerte, I brought enough for everyone!
J'aime bien qu'à chaque fois que je rejoue, j'ai toujours le même succès qui rentre, c'est tiens donc de la santé. Allez là. Ah, moi qui voulais pas les deux, je te
Tango neutralized!
Bon, supposément ma tête a pu utiliser des tournées.
That's a bit too close, friend!
Tada. Non. Oh, c'est le petit truc là. Aïe ah oui.
Oh, sure. Well, that works.
J'ai une tête à utiliser des lames.
Fingers crossed. The
Pas un
extremely
marteau,
sensitive
ni un
technology of
tournevis.
bludgeoning is still intact.
Donc il faut qu'on trouve des trucs comme ça. J'ai en dessous. Ah, il y en a un autre là.
Won't forget now.
Tu veux que je l'ouvre ou tu l'ouvres?
Vas-y.
Ok.
Someone's gotta shut these order bastards down!
Ça marche toujours mieux que les couteaux. Bon, faut qu'on trouve le dernier.
I'm not a tinkerer, but this has to be more than a tough job.
Perfect. Bring them back quickly, and you'll be stepping through the rift into paradise before you know it. Oh, you must have so many questions about
Je
your
suis curieuse de
destiny.
savoir c'est quoi son paradis et en même temps je ne suis absolument pas curieuse de vouloir le
How
savoir.
can I be certain this one is best? But if I told you, it would only sap the sweetness of discovery. I ask you only to trust me.
I admit, I'm super curious. You're asking a lot on faith, amigo.
Indeed I am. But think of me as a steward of the most meaningful experiences of your life. I couldn't bear to spoil that surprise.
Right. Well, as long as I can bring my guns, I can't wait to see it.
Donc est-ce qu'on sort téléparte? Oui, non, peut-être.
Non.
Je te déteste. Ça c'est des pardons me faire planter. Tu fais exprès. Je plante en moyenne entre 30 et 45 minutes. Tu vas faire les petites vidéos? T'aurais pas dû bouger, je t'aurais eu. Il y a un smiley. Regarde, c'est pas Monsieur Baboun,
Escape.
c'est Monsieur Sourire.
I held up my end. Your turn. And then I'm definitely getting out of here. Right.
I know that tone. You sound like them. Why must people keep doubting me? You have no idea what I've done to get here. To do nothing but serve and have people sneer. It's...
Bah ouais, tout ça se fait
forgive
comme
me.
ça.
You did nothing wrong. I just...
Bah non,
My responsibility is a heavy burden. Please,
j'ai planté.
install the components and I'll calibrate the console.
Ah, maintenant je comprends pourquoi il y avait des trous. De la semaine dernière.
All done.
As am I. You've done a great service here. All that's left is for you to walk through to paradise. Freedom from Kairos awaits.
J'ai des doutes.
Last trip to paradise, huh?
Bon, avant de traverser la faille, si je perds le contrôle de mes pouvoirs de sirène, arrange-toi de me maîtriser.
Make sure others make it through safely. I'm the only one who knows how to operate the console.
Bonne chance avec les faucheurs.
I designed it, after all. One day,
T'es prêt?
I will follow.
On va attendre qu'elle finisse de parler.
I yearn for that day more than you can ever know. But it is not my time. There are so many others I must spread word to first. Go ahead. Familiarize yourself with your new home. And save me a plot of land. With a view.
J'ai des doutes.
Seriously, this is getting a little uncomfortable. I do have to stay at this console until you go through, and... I mean... My PhD is in rift physics, not chit-chat.
On y va?
De toute façon, on va le set ailleurs, là.
Yeah, I can smell the order stench on this place. Still Kairos.
New test subjects detected. Engaging pacification protocol. Disarm and prepare for custom
Ouais, c'est le
retrofitting.
gars.
Oh, no.
Non.
No. I don't take style advice from C.
I made this for you!
Someone tell me this already!
Oh! Regarde où ce qu'on est sur la carte.
Slow down! It's not a race! And if it was, you'd lose anyway.
Il y a deux échos à trouver.
you filthy animal!
Il y a des portes fermées avec des prisonniers et des coffres à l'étage. Il a bloqué. Il est bloqué. Yeah.
Please, let us out of here!
Bon, c'est exactement ce que j'ai
Help
fait.
is on the way!
T'as vu sur la carte où ce qu'on est?
Non, pas encore.
Moi qui se demandais comment on la faisait pour atteindre leur bord des cartes. Et ben voilà.
Là, on est où? 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 On est où?
Oh, il y en a une en haut. Je suis montée par elle, mais pas du bon côté. Ah, elle est dans la prison de monsieur. Bon, j'en ai une sur deux. Est-ce que l'autre est dans l'autre prison? Oui! Ah, vous êtes deux dans celle-là. Pourquoi est-ce que vous avez des ordinateurs si vous êtes des prisonniers? Je ne pose même pas la question en fait. Elle a des coffres. Dans la première salle que tu vois, il y a un écho. Celle-là, il y a un coffre. Et celui-là, il y a un écho. T'es prêt?
You defeated the guards! Finally, a little taste of freedom! Looky what I found!
Subject number 1418's mental decline is notable, if expected. Subject claims to have seen, quote, countless faces made of shadow and flame, end quote. Again, nothing like the world I seek. This marks the 5th destination that has racked the subject with terror and utter despair. His decline will require the acquisition of new subjects to replace him.
T'es au courant qu'il y a de nous utiliser comme cobaye? Tiens, moi.
Subject number 1015 has completed his trek into 37 worlds without issue. Subject claims to have seen a world made of waffles. One where all travel is completed via water slide, and one with animals who speak in limericks. While all have been frankly shockingly positive, none are what I seek.
Elle a coupé.
What kind of testing happens here? No doors, but synths as guards?
Into a rift we go! Back we come! In, out, a different place every time. Seeking some weird paradise. Since we're enforcement, if we refused, well...
Rafa's on the case, don't worry. There must be a way to get the rift going the other direction.
The synths kept us from poking around here much. But as for the rifts, I did hear Oddman telling him never to get iridium near one. That's all
On
I
en a
know.
plein les poches.
I can't go through another rift. No, their faces. I can't stop seeing their faces. Please, no more. No more.
Whatever Oddman's after here, it's super not okay.
I've seen things you couldn't conceive. Glorious, precious, awe-inspiring things. I need to see them again. Put me back through the last rift. Let me gaze upon heaven once more.
Ah.
Okay, so even the cool stuff down here breaks your brain.
Oh. J'aime bien quelle taille c'est ses réactions. Tiens.
Ho ho ho! Time to mix up an Iridium Rift cocktail.
Ok.
Je vais prendre cette... Attends, c'est quoi?
C'est des produits pour les cheveux.
La bonne. Ah, j'ai des beaux cheveux à laver, moi. tu veux, je prends les podiers pour. Puis je me mets la tête qu'il faut pour me faire laver les cheveux. Lancer l'iridium dans la faille. Quel iridium?
Ce que j'ai dans les mains.
Ah, tu l'as dans les papates? Ah!
La faille était par là.
La faille est par où qu'on est arrivé en fait? Allez, garoche!
I owe someone a bit of pain, and I hate leaving debts unpaid.
T'aimes pas avoir des dettes?
It takes a special kind of asshole to lure people in promising paradise and then put them in some slime dungeon.
You small-minded fool. I was called by a greater power to find a perfect, sun-baked paradise. What is the loss of hundreds or even thousands to answer such a call? The lizard prince granted me this vision. Me alone. Don't let them leave here alone.
Alors, attendez!
I knew you were scummy. If not, I'd be down as a lizard balloony.
Ah, c'est tout ce qui est bien. À la différence de la tête verte, c'est la tête bleue que je lance. À part en ligne droite, c'est verte avec elle ne tournera pas autour pendant 5
Every
minutes.
decision he's made in his sad
Ou 1 heure,
life.
c'est la dernière. Ah, il y a une autre faille là. T'as vu?
Ouais, vas-y, rentre dedans. Ouais.
Ah, j'ai joué à Portal. C'est prête. Il y a beaucoup de portails. 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5 à l'intérieur de portail. Oh, attends, il y en a plus que ça. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Je me demande si je l'ai compté.
To think, you could have kept all of this insanity up if you hadn't seen me as an easy mark. A lesson you won't forget.
Shut up! You haven't stopped me. I'll do it again and again. I cannot fail His skittering majesty. No matter how many minds I must break, I will show everyone paradise exists. I was meant to find it. The vision was bequeathed to me. What are you?
Yeah, this world's a lot better without you in it.
T'as-tu fait le dernier? Je tue celui-là. Oups. Il a le temps de parler. Oui. Dans ma partie, il y en a un que je voulais conserver que t'as descendu. Donc je me donne le droit de descendre celui-ci si je veux.
J'avais pas fini de parler!
Et alors? C'était pas très intéressant ce qu'il disait, pareil. Bon, on sera à la mission principale, on pourra aller parler avec le personnage avant de devoir aller retourner dans notre bar. Voir où ce qu'elle nous mène après.
Dans la ville.
Daldra.
Ah, voilà.
Au centre?
C'est là qu'il nous reste à aller. On avait besoin des 3 bolts pour...
Bon, on va l'activer. Ah? 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 Oh! Oh! Je pensais que mon véhicule doit être comme ça! Ah! Ah! Ah, ah. C'est bon? C'est bon? C'est bon? Tout va bien? On va continuer tranquille. Ah d'accord, c'est le nouveau truc. Je sais pas. Je l'ai pas, clique pas dessus, je l'ai pas. Il est là qui est pour moi.
Ah, you're here. You have them? The command bolts?
They are still a little messy, but see, I have all three.
I don't mind the gore. I have a different cleaning in mind. One of the reasons I asked you here is so that I can wipe their caches for our purposes. A factory reset, if you will. Insert them into that console.
J'ai peur que c'est toi qui va.
This will just take a moment. But, in truth, I am glad for the time. There is something else I've been wanting to discuss with you.
What's on your mind, Zadra?
I hope you will forgive me. And I do mean that. You have asked why I'm helping you. I have many mistakes to atone for, several lifetimes worth, in fact. But there is one that haunts me the most.
Ne me dis pas que
Rush
c'était trois enfants.
accused me of being the Timekeeper's favorite. He was more right than he knew. I gave the Timekeeper the means to imprison this planet. I created these bolts. All of them. Even the one in your head.
That's... heavy. Why'd you do it?
I'd love to blame it on youthful naivete. It was, after all, a millennium ago. The truth is, I did it of my own free will. I believed in his order. Or at least, in him. His purpose was so clear. I mistook it for compassion. But he is heartless. I see it now. In the cruelty he inflicts on the people of Kairos. He exists only to impose his order. He will not let it break easily.
Everything breaks, Zadra.
Huh. Perhaps. But as the Order fractures, you've been building something new. The Crimson Resistance flourishes. I have had to mute a great many group chats. Calder and Rush have been exchanging recipes, and I would advise trying exactly none of them. In all honesty, you've given Kairos something else to believe in. Myself included. Thank you, Vault Hunter. Ah, the command bolts are ready. Now, to our next steps. The bolts will gain us access to the Timekeeper's tower, but despite my efforts to bypass the lockdown, Dominion City remains sealed. That said, I've spoken with your Siren friend in the Terminus range. She believes she has a lead that could help our efforts. You should meet with her. In the meantime, I will prepare for our venture into Dominion. The Timekeeper will be expecting us.
Et voilà, il faut qu'on retourne presque à notre bord. Qu'est-ce qu'on se téléporte directement à côté de l'autre objectif qu'on doit faire à notre bord?
On se téléporte au bord, puis après ça, on va voir.
Ouais. Attends, on se téléporte au bord maintenant?
Lâche. Sors de ton menu, merci.
D'accord, je ne touche plus rien, je ne touche plus rien, je ne touche plus rien. J'ai oublié qu'il fallait faire un départ ensemble. Hein?
Ça va?
Ouais, la fille, quand je suis arrivée, elle a dit eh, merde, c'était le chasseur de l'arche! Comme ça, elle l'avait manqué, quoi. Non, je ne glisse pas, je sais ce qui s'est passé la dernière fois ici. Ce serait bien que t'actives la vie.
Hey, barkeep. Good news. The Moonshiner's in.
Now we've got everything we need to stay in business. Thanks, Vault Hunter. The
Pardon.
boss would be proud.
Voilà, on a fini. Du coup, là-bas. Ton sanctuaire? Peut-être qu'on va finalement être capable d'avoir la machine que tu parlais? Bon, monsieur, je vous en sais cosmétique.
On continue de-
Ah ouais? J'ai rien reçu de nouveau, moi.
Va voir dans ton inventaire, t'as un coffre à ouvrir.
Ah! Astre absurde. Papa, papa. Ah! Je me suis pris une balle dans le dos! Ah non, c'est le bouton de mon manteau. Pourquoi est-ce que la tache de sang est exactement ce qu'il faut avec le bouton? Ah vous là, regarde mon dos. Le bouton
Ah oui.
en arrière, il y a mes deux boutons qui on dirait vraiment je me suis fait tirer une balle. Parce que la tache de sang est exactement là.
Ouais.
Tamara! Oh!
You're here. Good. I wanted to.
Oh! This place is colder than Jack's dead head. Still haven't fixed the heating pipes, huh?
Well, well, well. Look who escaped from the retirement home.
Heard you were rounding up some Vault Hunters, so... Reporting for duty, boss.
And how did you hear that?
Oh, like none of you plant listening devices on your friends. Look, I'm tired of bouncing drunks. I'm fit, I'm focused, and... That's a cool new arm! Do any tricks?
It can count to 1.
Right? Won't even notice me. Call me Zane Silence Flint. I'll just be off here. Stealthy. Covert. Fly on the wall. Oh, Hermes, you furry little shite!
Who's my great big boyo? Oh, you little...
Thanks to you, Vault Hunter, I finally know where Lilith is. She's stuck in the phase.
That's the dimension Val Lictor was trying to reach.
Yeah. Lilith went through the phase to teleport from one point to another. When she pulled Elpis here, she must have been too weak to escape. She's still up there. We've literally been looking on the wrong plane of existence. We're so close. We've got to get her back. I know you have your sights on the Timekeeper, but with Lilith on our side, we can give Kairos the crimson resistance it deserves. Now, the one thing we don't have is a way up. Sanctuary isn't flying anytime soon.
Oh, if we're shooting the moon, lass, we don't need to fly. We've got a lift.
Shit.
Really, Zane? You trust a Ripper-engineered space elevator?
Feck no! But you said it yourself. We can't fly there. What other choice do you reckon we've got? If and we die, least ways we do it looking cool.
What more could one ask for? Meet you at the launch platform, Vault Hunter. Come on, we'll use the fast travel. So, the mighty Zane Flint is a pub bouncer.
You haven't seen much outside of this ship, have you? Not exactly teeming with high-paying jobs. Besides, Moxie's a
Ouais,
good
je sais,
boss.
t'es en train de me dire, tu chiales sur Moxie en
Must
plus.
be difficult. How do you do it? Keeping one eye on her and another on the drunks when you've only got the one.
Oh, she's got jokes! Give yourself a round of applause! Oh, except, what's the sound of one hand clapping again?
Watch
Ouais!
it, Flint.
Aïe, 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 aïe. Tu vois pas une ressemblance dans notre communication? Moi, je suis un parent.
Je sais pas, moi, j'entends juste du blablabla, blablabla, fait que j'ai arrêté d'écouter avant.
Tac. Bon.
Fast travel, aller là-bas.
Ouais. Ouais. Attends, je veux vider. Y'a pas de l'autre machine ici, hein? Je vais prendre ça pour un autre.
Tu te sautes,
La machine qui sort. Là. Wow, wow, wow! Hey, oh, j'ai pas pu charger! Bon, c'est une super entrée en fait. Il a fini de loader avant. Il est mort de boule. J'en ai un dans mon écran en fait ici qui est mort de boule.
Ah, c'est ça. Il s'est fait geler
Ah!
place.
Allez, machine.
Over here! Help us clear out these fools!
Avec grand plaisir, Amara.
So do we have a plan, or are we just hoping this thing flies itself?
Ask our resident space elevator expert.
Well, let's take a gander. Let's have a go at that clamp release lever then. You got this, Vault Hunter?
It's busted.
Someone must not want us flying today.
I'm not staying grounded. We'll manually release the clamps.
On va aller ouvrir le chemin, pas qu'il y en aura la rue. Ils vont tout apparaître en fait quand un marade va arriver. Où tu vas utiliser tes pouvoirs de sirène, fille? Je vais prendre ça pour un nom. Elle est partie en courant à l'opposé, hein.
There's the first. Easy pickings for our siren here. Tigress, unhook this thing, won't you?
Excusez-moi, mais on est deux sirènes.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah, qui contrôle pas ses pouvoirs, il contrôle.
Blasted. It's this new arm. The augur said I'd need to adjust to it, but...
What? No, you definitely loosened it for sure. Don't you think, Vex? Loosey-goosey?
Totally. Here, I'll just get it the rest of the way.
That woke the Rippers. Let's move. We've got 2 more clamps to release.
Attends 2 secondes, j'étais sûre qu'elle allait m'écraser avec le pied.
Rusty as our nuns, bed springs it was. Just an absolutely shy clamp when you get down to it. It's interesting from the start, right?
Totally. That clamp sucked.
Can we just focus on the task at in front of us? Good. 1 more left. You take it, Vault Hunter.
Ah, n'est-ce pas?
Was my brush! Someone tell me they saw that! Gonna see what
Inspecteur rien du tout. Ah, je suis pas parti du bon côté. J'arrive.
Fair play there. Now,
Il l'a détaché?
what's next? Right! Ignition system. Gotta get these engines fired up. This way.
C'est l'amarrage jusqu'au bâtiment d'Allemagne. Ah d'accord, je peux pas la faire avancer tant que t'es pas là.
So, if I'm reading these fuel pipes right, then I'm a certified expert at laying pipe.
Flint.
The ignition controls are just above. Only problem is, the way up's banjaxed.
Just need something to grapple onto.
There's something I could... Ugh, no, never mind.
Just give it a go. A wee phase tug. Let the tiger out.
One try.
It worked. Oh, it worked.
You're a spectacle. Vault Hunter, get on up to that ignition switch.
There goes.
Ready.
Oh, stop them! Only the Queen may light the sacred flame.
Mais bon.
The key bags are on the loose again. No.
Ah bah oui, évidemment, je peux pas sortir par la fenêtre.
Alice is dead. Why are the Rippers still gone in this place?
You're giving a lot of credit to some maniacs who took an ice cream scoop to their brains.
Leave it up! Chap. Oh, Vault Hunter, it's you. What sort of assistance?
Go into a different dimension on the moon.
I see.
Ah, j'ai pas
Yes.
compris là.
That'll make sense, and I have no questions.
None. Zero.
I've adapted to a new normal. To the task at hand. The device will require Callus's bolt signature, but we just wiped that. I can emulate it from here, but you will need to align a data relay connected to the command console.
Okay, now I have several questions. That was a lot of sci-fi gobbledygook.
Elle répondra pas. En compétence, on va se prendre un petit peu. J'ai l'air d'être pas mal plein en munitions. Toi? Ah, ça, il y a de l'eau ici, j'ai jamais ramassé en dehors. Ah! Ouais, les jeux de plateforme, hein. Ah, il y avait un truc sur le... Aïe. Aligner l'antenne.
Acceptable work. The data relay is functional. Get over to the terminal and I'll transfer operational control.
This way, Vault Hunter.
All be well if we can reach
The way you talk about her sounds like Lilith thinks just about it.
She's the strongest person I've ever met. She's a leader. She's the Firehawk.
Pretty decent karaoke singer too, you ask me.
Pardon?
She saved my life. And his too, for some reason.
I was also gonna teleport the moon somewhere. She just beat me to it.
Oh yeah! Take me! One bullet all the day. The rest are worth.
Il y a un gros qui se balade. Il est là.
Someone tell me this of it!
J'aime bien qu'il y a juste Amara qui nous attend, mais pas l'autre.
The Ripper's construction practices are unspeakably slipshod. The control terminal is out of reach.
This way. I've got it.
You sure?
I've got
Ouais.
it.
J'aime toujours ce petit logo pareil. Le logo sur le mur. Ah, Mara, je suis dessus!
Here, holy chica, nice one.
Not so bad, Cyber Tiger.
T'es correct?
Zane, thank you. I'm not accustomed to feeling
Human.
weak.
Trust me, I've had a fair share of me lopped off. Some on purpose, some less so. Your mind is gonna fight it. Try and tell you nothing's changed, but the strength is in the changing.
I've never run from a fight. I'm not stopping now.
J'ai un problème avec les plateformes. Quelque chose en bas d'intéressant?
Zadra, I'm at the control terminal. What now?
First, carefully place the bolt.
It's about to get
Nothing to it. Who'd be enough now?
Il est là.
I'm getting tired of that.
Ah! Je me suis éclaté toute seule! Yeah. Derrière toi, ya! Derrière toi, ya! Oh god! Ah! Oui, oui, nickel! Kill them all. Okay. Oui, je sais que ça va, mais je pensais que j'aurais tombé, je sais pas, sur un écho, quelque chose. On a déjà passé ici, hein?
Ouais, on a tout ramassé.
Ah ouais, ok. On descend.
Coffre.
Non, on a tout
We
ramassé,
gonna
Didier.
snatch these up?
Les coffres, on a beau les ramasser, quand on vient, il y a d'autres trucs encore.
Tremendous. I'll route Callus's bolt code emulation through Echo 4. Have him hack the console.
E4, do the honors.
There. Control authority is transferred to you. Now, may I suggest you not leave Callus's bolt behind? I hear it was quite a hassle to acquire.
Got it. Thanks, Zadra.
Just doing my part for the Crimson Resistance. Come back alive, please. That's it. Well, are we ready for launch?
Vault Hunter, we're getting on a tiny lift up to the massive lift. Looks like the switch is above us.
Flick it for us, will you?
Throw everything we got at him! Sinks, stress balls, large appliances, I don't care! Just stop them!
Oh.
You're coming back. Back to the face. I can feel it before it happens. Like ripples reaching the shore. Before you've thrown the stone, I warned you to stay away.
Oh, come on!
This isn't filling me with confidence about the integrity of the space elevator.
Ah, monkey list jammed from up top. You have to clear it out manually.
You're thinking, this guy's crazy.
Ah, ça oui.
And you're right. But I saw what I saw. I can't let you free Lilith. The universe has rules. And she's gonna break them into stained glass pieces.
Ah, ils ont mis des bouts de bois pour retenir un engrenage. Ils ont mis des bouts de bois pour retenir un engrenage.
Okay, lift should be good
Ah,
to
un
go.
bout de bois.
And it may also get a little weird soon.
What's new? We're on our way.
Outpost tracker, mother of mercenaries, Shadow be thy name.
What was that?
I told you to be a prayer. Leave it be. This way, Vault Hunter.
There's the platform. Next stop, low Kairos orbit.
J'ai l'impression que ça va être un free for all.
Right. Tether cable looks secure. Lift system's operational. Fuel levels. Ah, who are we kidding? We're riding this Widowmaker to the moon come hell or high lightning.
Right. So, before we do this...
We're with you. To the end.
All the way. No backing down now.
I was going to ask if anyone saw any safety harnesses. But hell, I'll take it. Let's do this!
Depuis quand tu demandes la sécurité, toi? Ah, j'aime bien que le nom en français c'est échelle.
Here I go!
Insane! You were right!
Course off! About what?
Even
On
if
est en
we
train de
die,
monter!
it'll look cool as hell!
I told you, Rafa. I warned you. And now I have to stop you.
Who is this asshole?
Regret.
The man from the black site. His powers like a sack, and he doesn't want us to find Lily.
Let him try to stop us! More of those vile experiments. Aim for the crystals. That's their weak spot.
Now's the time!
You get permission to kill me.
Rip her down!
What's the point of murder if you're gonna do it like everybody else?
La familia siempre regala.
Ruler. I need a jester. Torture is becoming boring. Blame your mom. They will avenge me. I think.
He's blinking all over the bleeding place.
I just saw him. He's over here.
Ah, j'ai ramassé un shield à 29. Mon shield à 29. 29 en 2. Tortue encore. Aucun équipement, le bouclier maximal augmente de 40%, mais la santé maximale diminue de 10%. Ah bah tiens! C'est une tortue! Je pense que je vais garder le nom. La vitesse de recharge. Il est vert par exemple. Ah ouais!
T'es à 29 avec tortue, le mien est à 28 avec tortue.
Hein?
Les 3 stats sont meilleurs.
Faire un petit tour pour ramasser mes risques. De quoi? Ah ouais, quand même. Là, on va tout ramasser, je crois. Bon, on a fait le tour, hein. Parler à Manuel Amara. Ah ouais! On a une sensation de montée, mais c'est sûr, on montrera jamais.
Steady. On your guard.
be back.
I'll polish me boots.
It's speeding up!
Rippers must not believe in brakes.
Hold on!
Moins de gravité en orbite.
Oui! Elle a peut-être manqué son coup, mais comprends-moi comment je manquais mes coups dans le 3 aussi.
Are we alive? Did we reach Elpis?
Either that, or we died and this is heaven. In which case, I say we rob it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Steady there. We were out for a few minutes.
Lilith better be up here somewhere, because we are not taking that thing back down.
Par téléportation.
Conditions are dodgy out there. We're not in deep space, but there sure as shite isn't there for us to breathe.
You don't happen to have any oxygen masks on you, huh?
Found one while you were napping. Here, you take it. Elpis was Dahl territory. There's bound to be equipment scattered around outside. Amara and I can hoof it to an air bubble generator, while you find us some proper Oz kits. Then we start searching for Lilith.
The door is stuck, but I've held back from punching it down. You do the honors.
Woohoo!
How long can you hold your breath? I don't want to have to carry you.
10 minutes. Easy.
Deep breath.
Ah, ça fait référence au... Attends, je pense que c'est Brace Recall. Au Brace Recall. On avait des masses oxygène. Machine.
I'm making room for the good stuff like this. This stuff didn't do them much good, huh?
Légendaire.
On devrait peut-être...
75%.
Turn on your hoary junk! Oh, fuel. Oh. I was running on fumes.
Yeah. Air lasts longer when you're not trying to talk the whole time.
Je les aime bien, ces deux-là. Je les aime bien.
This air bubble ain't gonna last. Hurry up and find those oxygen kits, huh? Should be some lurking around.
Jackpot. Found one.
Good. Just need one more mask.
On saute extrêmement haut pour ça.
Any luck finding those Oz kits, Vault Hunter?
No use checking the synths. Those creepy bastards don't need to breathe.
Strange. What was the Order doing up here?
Dying, looks like.
And two. Aire fresco incoming.
There's a pal. Bring him back right fast, huh?
Oh, encore.
You see the look on their face?
Minute. Hey! T'as ramassé le masque, hein?
Yep.
J'ai pas le temps d'arriver ici que j'ai été connecté. Ah là là! Le grand plaisir. Ouais, je t'attendais pas, je t'ai planté.
J'ai le message à la lettre 2 secondes après que j'avais pris le masque.
Oh, jeez, smells like psycho breath.
Ahora, how do we get into the phase dimension to find Lilith?
Barrier is thin here. I can feel it. I think... if we can get close enough to the core, I can break through.
I was also gonna say we should head towards the giant glowy core thing. Great minds.
Let's split up.
No.
Vault Hunter, you head for the core. Zane and I will get that doll ship over there running, in case we need to make a quick exit. We'll meet you further along.
Oh, ha ha! An old Raumkampf jet. I ever tell you about the time?
You flew a Raumkampf jet straight through another Raumkampf jet at least 5 times.
Only 5? You barely grasped the finer nuances of the tale then.
So there I was. Flight stick in one hand. Lucky Skagfoot in the other.
Look, don't make me pummel you. I need to concentrate here.
Ah là là, ces deux-là. Par exemple, regardez le monde d'ici, c'est magnifique. J'aime bien.
On est capable de voir toute la map.
Ouais. Alors, carte, bouge. Tu bouges pas, carte, bouge. Ok, non, tu bouges pas. D'accord. Non, on a une nouvelle couleur en fait. Bah.
C'est quand même cool ça.
J'ai pas grand détail, moi. Ah, et toi, t'as beaucoup de détails. Mais pas moi, j'ai à peine des détails.
Ben, t'en as un peu dans le dos.
T'en as dans le dos?
Ouais, c'est minimum.
Ouais, j'ai pas grand chose dans le dos. Mais si je change avec lui... Ah bah, c'est pas mieux. Avec le manteau. Et que dalle avec le gros manteau. Je les juste sur les épaulettes. On va rester comme ça. Bah! En fait, je pense qu'on est sur...
Avec le...
Hein?
La tenue normale.
La tenue de base, j'ai pas...
jambes, mais... Le reste...
Moi, j'ai presque rien. C'est un peu décevant. Bon, continue.
That core thing is impressive and dangerous looking. You sure it's a good idea to get close?
Wait.
Oh, regarde la chocotte.
Good ideas. No one told me that.
Lilith is there. I can feel it. As for safety, I think we left that behind when we became Vault Hunters.
C'est elle qui a demandé l'armée.
Guess Kara sent him up to scout for our wackadoo plans. We're not giving them a ride back to Kairos, so put them out of their misery.
We're not giving anyone a ride anywhere if this stupid shit won't work.
Tyler. Pretty sure punching ain't in the repair manual.
That ain't stopping me!
Jeez, damn! Good aim! Hunker down! Let the anger fuel you!
Work, damn you! Every time!
Well, I'll be a tinker's codpiece. We have liftoff!
And you doubted my methods.
Me? Never! Vault Hunter, we're headed your way.
Hein? Si tu laisses le gars au volant, ils vont se cracher, ça sera pas long. Sinon, il va encore te compter qu'il y avait une patte porte-bonheur et une botte dans l'autre main. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? T'amuses? Hein?
J'essayais de voir un truc.
Ah.
Coming in. I see a good landing zone, but the Rippers and the Orders seem to disagree about who owns it. Settle the argument and we'll pick you up.
More order, huh? Timekeeper doesn't leave many stones unturned, does he?
Nice work. Setting down now, and flight stick isn't responding. Blasted ship.
Huh? Almost like someone's been punching the thing.
Do not start. Vault Hunter, we've got to deal with this. Do you have a way through?
There's a wall in the way.
That engine swinging in the pit. Fire it up, and it'll take out the wall.
They could just try punching the wall.
Don't start.
Ah, je les adore ces deux-là, ils font vraiment une super équipe. Je sais pas si... Ah d'accord, le bouton là. Max munitions. Ils font quoi? Ça nous garde par là? Ou c'est censé nous donner de l'air? Là.
Il va falloir virer de bord.
Hein?
Il va falloir virer de bord. On a manqué 2 échos sur 6. 6.
Ah! Non! 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 est là.
Ramasse l'autre.
Ça va compter que ce soit aussi loin? Avance le tien, on va savoir.
Welcome to Elpis, home to some of the most exciting real estate in the 6 galaxies. Ever wanted to witness the spectrum of human misery from afar, as only gods and content creators do? Well, now you can! Elpis' tightly locked rotation ensures you'll always have a front row seat to planet-side mayhem, with none of the danger. Call Elpis Developments to schedule a showing today. There's never been a better time. Elpis, when you're tired of planetary life, get over it.
Ok. Je prends le mien. Hein?
Howdy, sugar, and welcome to Moxie's bartender certification training. Today we're going over some of my favorite drink recipes, all shaken, a little stirred, and all very, very wet. Let's start with something easy, shall we? My patented throat thriller will perk up that attitude of yours, among other things. Grab a tall glass filled to the brim with ice. Pour 3 fingers of Firehawk whiskey, 4 if you can fit them in. Remember, we do charge per finger. Then mix in a jigger of smuggler's hooch. Shake it like it owes you money.
Ma'am, something to say.
Always be sure to remind the customer to hold their nose when they drink. Otherwise, you're cleaning up the mess. Enjoy.
J'aime bien qu'ils aient coupe avant la fin. On a 6 échos et un truc non découvert. Bah moi sur la carte quand je fais le bouton pour voir les collectors,
c'est 2 échos sur 6 puis 2 symboles de l'arche à trouver 0 sur 2.
Comment ça doit être le truc et pas moi? Hein?
J'ai trouvé un cadavre laissé derrière par la tour. Je l'ai busté, mais j'ai une arme.
Ah d'accord. Parce que là... Là t'es rentré peut-être? Pourquoi j'étais pas rentré? Là? Je trouve ça un peu bizarre que la lave fasse ça, mais bon, je comprends. J'adore voir ce que je vais penser à chaque fois que je dis.
One bullet's all it takes. The rest are running. See that? That's a little thing called marksmanship. Like in a training stag.
Bon, deviner, il va falloir qu'on vienne récupérer un truc ici. Ou on va arriver en haut, puis le chemin pour redescendre, ça serait ici.
Un sniper.
Un sniper quoi?
Mortar. 2285 DPS.
Il y a de la pop